flat. We're in the first turn, looking like mechanical difficulties there for old Jared. So Jared is stranded on the track. We're going to go ahead and get the tow truck out here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, big thank yous going out to Big Tinks and Detailing and Pucklick Chevrolet, along with Bulky Steel, Napa Auto Parts, as well as Skate Stop Saloon, our official post-race party headquarters. So Jared gets a non-qualify. So Jared is not going to be able to get out there and get his time on the clock. Standing in the hole on deck is going to be Dennis, truck number 29.
28.
What happened to the dude?
Dennis, truck number 29. It's a minivan.
28.
How about that? Dodge Caravan. Built
Idiot. 28.
for this. Absolutely without question. And we're ready. The green flag is down. The clock is going. Here comes Dennis and the Caravan. A&J Motorsports, number 28. Dennis, all kinds of good things happening with this. I think, where did the tire come from? It's like magic. Dennis is a sorcerer. Look at him go.
There it is.
Dennis making his way down the front stretch, taking his time. And now we're back in the game. Oh, the airbags went off. See, that's nice. Safety first. All right, Dennis. Clocks are up. 5:1.28, ladies and gentlemen, for Dennis.